Welcome to my new video. Today, I'll show you how to set a file on Private Safe. First, open the File Manager app on your phone. Look for the option called Private Safe or Secure Folder. You might find it in the main menu or under Settings. Tap on it. If this is your first time using it, you'll need to set up a PIN, password, or fingerprint for security. Once you're in the Private Safe, tap the Add or Move to Safe option. Navigate to the file you want to secure, select it, and confirm the action. Your file will now be moved to the Private Safe, where it's protected by your security setting. That's all for this quick tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips.